choices.
Uh-huh.
But now I make bad choices.
Mm-hmm.
And there's 99 kids, and I'm 100 kid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you promise from now on you're not gonna make bad choices anymore?
Yes. And they hurt me very bad, kick me, tap me, and punch me, and push me.
They did?
Yeah. And they smoke at me, and they put me on the roof, and I fall down,
You did?
and I almost killed,
Oh my God.
and I almost died.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay, and the teacher?
Says, oh my, 99 kids hurt you? What happened? And they push you, and punch you, and kick you, and chop you, and push you, and put you on the roof, and you're almost killed? That is a bummer. I'm going to put them in the office for a second.
Okay.
And they're going to the home. And one kid left at school.
So the teacher, she's lying?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So she's lying. You didn't make great choices, right?
Yeah. One kid left at school, and his name is Nikita.
Are you serious?
And 99 kids go to their house, and they're in trouble, and they're on timeout.
I see.
Okay, can you make Nikita